Hello guys, good morning, good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a okay Green Day recap. So today I did not overtrade CCL. It's just I really want. It looks like I overtraded it, but the thing is, this stock moved really tightly. So I kind of forced myself to have this 14.18, 14.15 break because I really want this $14 here and probably 13.73. There was a huge order in there, but I really thought it's gonna go there. But the thing is, uh, at the open I traded 1 minute orb. It's a bit too far from VWAP. That's why I didn't really wanna risk holding the share. So I traded it. It has 1.6 million, 1.2 million on the first candle, and it doesn't show up here because it closed and opened and closed at the same price, but it has 1.2 million. The second candle has about 800 million. So I traded it, got a small profit in there. I didn't really take the whole move. I was risking probably this move. I didn't get the whole thing because I was waiting for this daily candle 1482, and I was kind of hoping for this levels in there, but it didn't work. Got out, and I thought it's really gonna break the low of day. I shorted it. I stopped out. It didn't really work. So yeah, so and then I started to watch it again and see what I can do. So I shorted it, added. Really dangerous because I was risking really tightly. So I was risking 5 cents. I have 14.55. I almost got stopped, and after that, if I get stopped, I'll be just probably end the day red. And because I had a red trade here, if I have a red trade here, then I'm probably gonna stop. Good thing it worked. I caught most of the move. I still have plenty of shares here, but I didn't really take all of them. So I gained back my losses here. I still have a good amount of shares in here, but I could have just taken the whole thing and got a really big profit. I was really waiting for a pullback somewhere here. I even added here, right? Because I was really waiting for a pullback for this 14.15 break, but it's not really working. I reshorted again. Look at that. Stopped out, reshorted again. It worked, added what's this? Stopped out and reshorted. It's just not really working anymore. But yeah, I'm glad everything worked out. I was risking probably 30% of my profit here on the next trades because I didn't want to give back all my profit. So yeah, I could have made more if if I'm greedy, but I like following 1-to-1 rules now and 2-to-1, and it's just not working here. So let's go to I think I traded workhorse as well. So yeah, look at that. I missed the whole move. It's just I traded 5 minute orb in it. So as you can see, 5 minute orb. I took some profits. Just not. It just didn't work. But the thing is, I moved on. I pulled back here. I should have re-entered here, but I was busy with CCL. So yeah, let's watch my recap. And before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media accounts. And yeah, if you have any questions, just comment down below, and you can DM me on my Instagram and Twitter as well. I always reply when I have time. So yeah, let's watch my trade. So I didn't know, I was actually kind of watching pen here, but I think there's no volume in the first minute. Let's look. So this is my left side of my monitor. This is where I trade, and my right side is where I pick my stock, which one to trade. So right at the bat, it has about 300,000 volume, moved about 70 cents. Let's see, it looks like it's really gonna go to 63.50. Okay, let's pause this and look at the other stocks. So pen, it has about 500,000, moved about, you can see here, right? 930.46, moved about 500,000 in the first minute. And the candle moved about $1.25, 20 cents. So that's a huge move. That's why I didn't want to chase it. It's too far from VWAP. And as you can see here, CCL did a good move, 1.2 million, moved about 17 cents. Workhorse moved about 30 cents. Below VWAP, gap up stock. So, they're like moving the opposite ways. So it's only CCL. So this one gapped up, but it's below VWAP. what's this? Gap down and above VWAP. It's kind of close to previous day close now. Didn't really want to chase that. And one thing I like is CCL is 1.2 million above VWAP, gap up. And but thing is, it's so far from VWAP, like really far. That's why I kind of like just risk and see how it looks. It looks like it's gonna break. You can probably risk 14.50 in there. Should have gotten early in there. Kind of late. That's really weird. So I was risking probably 20 cents. Yeah. So 64 is my. Give me one sec. So 64 is my average cost. Risking 20 cents because this candle moved about 20 cents. Oh, 20. Yeah. So I I was really scared because I don't really see any sign. I took 10% in there. It's just I was sending limit orders, but it's just not working. Yeah, like as you can see that I wasn't getting filled. After that, I should have taken more. Yeah, I was sending limit orders. I didn't want to take market orders because I was risking 20 cents. I wanted the whole 20-cent move before I take a market order. It's just not really working. So I decided to just bail out. So after that, after seeing that it's getting rejected, low of day is 1477. Oh, not 1447. I really thought it's gonna break 1450, but yeah, it didn't really work. And I was looking at it. Is it really gonna continue for a 5-minute orb? I was asking myself. VWAP is here, and I ended up trading because I didn't want to overtrade CCL. So this one is really good trade. I was actually it could have been a really good trade. It's just I can't hold it because was my risk was really tight. So when I went back to my break even, I was watching if there's any signs. I see one order in here. I see a few ones. So let's see. I'm hoping for 24. Let's see if it goes 24. Come on, 24. 2362 is my average. It's just us being really protective of my profit because I have a bad trade in CCL. Yeah, I just decided to stop out. Good thing I stopped out because it dropped somewhere here, I think. But I should have waited and traded this workhorse instead, or probably a good 5-minute or 15-minute orb. And after that, so that's a small profit for workhorse. Then caught the whole move. This is where I should be watching it. So actually, I was kind of chasing CCL. This is a chase, risking 10 cents. Oh my god, that's really tight risk. I barely trade 10 cents risk. But I thought like it's really gonna go and drop. So I added, risking 50 probably, since my average is 1440. So I'll be risking 40 area or above this 50 or 55 max. So I was actually watching and getting a bit scared at this point. That it's gonna squeeze. I was ready to get out. My hotkey will it's ready. So I was ready there to press if it goes 55. So 55 is high of this pre-market. That's kind of a level for me to decide to hold because I know that's the pre-market high. I'm looking for signs. So my average is 40. We're right back at my average cost. There you go. I can see someone's really selling it. I took some profit, 1-to-1 for a 10-cent move. That's a really good profit. I'm back in green. I was just holding up large shares, like really big shares. There you go. Oh my god, I can still see my profit here. It's still really good. I should have taken more. I was holding enough shares for this breakout 14-15. but it wasn't really breaking. I was really waiting for $14. I really want $14. That's what's in my mind right now. I said I'm gonna keep reshorting and reshorting at 14.50 for a $14 goal, but it's just not happening. So all longs are kind of trapped. They're probably rebuying here. So I pushed back to my break even. Yeah, I decided to short again for 14.15. I was just trying, taking every 5 cents because I think that was a tight risk. I said maybe I don't want to give back any of my profit. That's why I just bailed out, because I'm gonna wait maybe somewhere here because that's kind of far from VWAP. Really fighting. So here at this point, I said I don't want to give back my profit. I'll probably trade lesser size or wider spread. Getting rejected there. I kind of like it. You will see it in time and sales. If it touches the price, you'll see red prints. It touches, see that? It touches red prints. It touches red prints. Here you go. Took some more off. Took some off. Because I was risking 30 cents, but I only want to risk 10 cents. I don't want a 1R. I don't want to lose my my profit in there. So it's just risking this candle. So kind of in a good profit now. Just won the $14 and 14.15. Because I've seen this pattern before. It will go here and drop. It will go here and drop, and then eventually it will make the whole move. Just you need to get a really good average cost. So let's fast forward this. So I re-shorted again, risking 14.47. Let's see. Yeah, so every time it touches, you see a drop, right? It's kind of like, oh, there you go. There's a buyer tried to push it. Someone tried to just short it. There's a lot of sellers in here. There you go. It's dumping. So I was kind of confident. I really actually wanted to add in here. I know it's making higher highs, but the thing is, it's right within VWAP. Yeah, I just decided to get out. It's like it's not really working. Oh, not get out. I decided to take partial in there. I decided I only took half. Reduce my size. Mm-hmm. There you go. So that's the move that I was hoping for, but I reduced size in here. Ah, man, I should have. I thought it was really gonna squeeze. Yeah, I was actually thinking of adding here. I really want this number 1418. I think this is where I probably added. I can't remember. So I added somewhere here. That's a really good pattern. Normally this continues to drop. Yeah, so I took some profit, took some more profit. This is a good pattern, like a kind of like a bull flag. It's probably gonna go here. Yeah. Come on. Just fast forward this. So I added and changed my mind. Yeah, all out. I really, really want that move. I reshorted again. Can't remember what's my risk. So I was risking probably 10 cents. Yeah, risking 10 cents. Let's try. Big position. There you go. Average is 1437. Kind of like this higher lows. I don't know, like higher lows. Is it? Yeah, lower highs, not higher lows. Lower highs. Kind of like that. Risking just VWAP. Come on, give me the move. Let's fast forward this a bit because it's taking a while. There you go. This is probably where it will drop. There you go. But 10 cent. Now in my 10 cents. I took 10% in there. I was really hoping for a big move. I took 25% in there and decided to just, if it doesn't really break down, I'm just gonna bail out. I remember what I did there. Yeah, and stopped out. So I caught only 25% of my profit in there. It didn't really work, but you know, sometimes it happens. I'm trying to practice myself not to be very emotional when, you know, when you see a 1-to-1, you didn't catch the whole move. You know, it's part of the journey, but imagine if it moves 2-to-1, then you got a better profit. So in the long run, it's better to take 2-to-1. And but yeah, so that's it. It was tough. Yeah, it was tough, but you know, it's kind of just ranging within this area here. It looks like it's still gonna continue, but we don't want to trade anymore. You know, we gotta stop trading because it's already what, 11:43 market New York time, and I gotta work in a few minutes. Yeah, so gotta stop trading. So I'll take whatever the market gave me. It's a green week, a pretty good one. And yeah, have a good week, everyone. Have a good weekend, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and follow me on my social media accounts. And if you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll get back to you. Have a good weekend. Cheers.